Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will explain how to connect your XinMeng keyboard. XinMeng keyboards are known for their flexibility, offering several ways to connect to your devices. We will explore the three main methods: wired, 2.4 GHz wireless, and Bluetooth. By the end, you will know how to choose and set up the best connection for your personal computing needs, ensuring a smooth and efficient experience with your new keyboard. The wired connection is the simplest and most reliable method. Just take the provided USB-C to USB-A cable. Insert the USB-C end into the designated port on your XinMeng keyboard, and then plug the USB-A end into an available USB port on your computer. This direct connection ensures minimal latency, consistent power delivery, and a completely stable link, perfect for critical tasks or intense gaming sessions without any signal drops. For a fast and responsive wireless experience, the 2.4 GHz dongle is an excellent choice. First, find the small USB receiver, which is often conveniently stored magnetically within the keyboard itself. Simply plug this dongle into any available USB port on your computer. Your XinMeng keyboard should then automatically connect, providing a stable and low-latency wireless link, perfect for everyday use and even competitive gaming without the clutter of cables. Bluetooth pairing offers the ultimate in cable-free convenience and multi-device connectivity. To begin, switch your XinMeng keyboard into Bluetooth pairing mode, typically by using a dedicated switch or a specific key combination. Next, open the Bluetooth settings on your computer, tablet, or phone and search for new devices. Once your keyboard appears in the list, select it and confirm the pairing. This allows you to easily switch between devices and enjoy a truly portable setup.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.